Welcome back everyone. This is Moni Singh. I am here with the same chapter, that is weather, climate and adaptation. We discussed about few elements of weather. What are those? Those were like temperature, humidity, relative humidity. And right now we are going to discuss about rainfall and wind. Okay. So first of all, what is rainfall? Rainfall, when there is precipitation, that is falling down of water in the form of drop by drop on earth from our sky. So that is rainfall. And you know, this rainfall depends upon so many factors, like as we discussed in previous video, it depends upon relative humidity. Okay, so the humidity is required, water vapor, moisture, maximum amount of moisture is required for rainfall. Now the question arises कि ये moisture कहाँ से आएगा, from where it will come. As we know that in the coastal areas there is maximum amount of water vapor, moisture, and in coastal areas anytime there may be chances of rainfall. बारिश कभी भी हो जाती है nearby sea. Okay, so the main source of rainfall in India is the different sea that is surround जो कि इंडिया के बहुत सारे साइड में ऑलमोस्ट थ्री पार्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया इज सराउंडेड बाय सी. ओके, सो दैट इज दोज सीज आर मेन सोर्स ऑफ रेनफॉल और मॉनसून इन इंडिया. सो बेसिकली देर आर थ्री काइंड्स ऑफ मॉनसून विंड. ओके, सो ये जो मॉनसून विंड है दैट ब्रिंग्स रेन. सो इन दैट वे we are going to discuss about wind also. Okay, wind is also a factor of element of weather. So basically the wind which brings moisture along with it, that brings rainfall. तो जिस wind में moisture content बहुत ज़्यादा होगा, that wind will bring rainfall. So basically there are three kinds of winds, three kinds of monsoon winds: southwest monsoon, northeast monsoon and western disturbances. Southwest monsoon, this monsoon wind is the main source of rain in India. सबसे ज़्यादा इंडिया में जो बारिश होती है during rainy season, that is during June to September. During that time, that rain is carried out in different parts of India by southwest monsoon. Okay. So this monsoon wind, basically this wind brings rainfall, or this is the main source of rain in India. And from where it comes? It comes from Arabian Sea, that is in the western side of India, Indian Ocean, almost southern side of India, and Bay of Bengal, nearby the eastern or southeast side of India. Okay, so all these sea and oceans are responsible for bringing rainfall during the rainy season, during the June to September. And during this rainy season, which kind of crops are grown? Basically paddy, that requires much amount of water, stagnant water चाहिए paddy को, and it depends completely on the rainfall that occurs due to the southwest monsoon wind. Okay, so this southwest monsoon basically brings rain in most of the part of India except Jammu and Kashmir and Rajasthan. Otherwise rest of the part of India is having heavy rain during such season, like during June to September, and this is also called rainy season. Maximum amount of rain can be observed during this time only. Okay, so we can say this wind comes from sea to land. From where it comes? It comes from sea to land. So all these are part of sea: Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, and Bay of Bengal. Water sources हैं. So this wind comes from sea to land. जब sea के पास moisture content बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, the amount of water vapor moisture will be more, then that will move towards the land. Why? Because sea के पास moisture बहुत ज़्यादा and land areas में moisture content कम. Okay, so it will try to fill the empty spaces जहाँ पे कि water vapor कम है. So in that way it will bring the wind towards the land areas of India, and most of the land areas of India is having heavy rain during this time. Next one is north. eastern monsoon, northeastern monsoon. As its name suggests, it comes from the northeast part of India, and the time is winter season, usually October to March. And basically it brings rain during winter season to the part of northeastern part, most of the part of northeast India. It doesn't bring rain to all over the part of India. कहाँ पे ज़्यादा होगा? Northeast part of India is having rain during this time, during winter season. Okay, and this rain is, in that way we can say कि ये रेन कहाँ से आएगा? ये विंड जो है मॉनसून विंड, फ्रॉम वेयर इट विल कम? इट विल कम फ्रॉम लैंड टूवर्ड्स सी. तो सिर्फ नॉर्थ ईस्ट पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया ही नहीं जाएगा, अ लिटिल बिट रेन कैन बी ऑब्जर्व इन द कोस्टल एरियाज एज वेल. तो ये रेन मॉनसून विंड आता है फ्रॉम द नॉर्थ ईस्ट पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया एंड इट मूव्स टूवर्ड्स सी. ओके, so basically it comes from land towards sea, and most of the rain can be observed in the land areas, northeast part of India. Now next one is western disturbances. Western disturbances ये बहुत ज़्यादा rain नहीं लाता इंडिया में, but this air comes from the like western part of India, and during winter season it brings rain to the western part of India, Rajasthan. एंड ये पूरे इंडिया में बारिश नहीं कराता, बट मेन सोर्स ऑफ रेन इन इंडिया इज साउथ वेस्ट मानसून ड्यूरिंग रेनी सीजन. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ वी कैन से, वी कैन टेल अबाउट द वेदर ऑफ अ प्लेस कि कब बारिश होगी कब नहीं होगी. एंड दिस ऑल्सो डिपेंड्स अपॉन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ विंड एज वेल. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट विंड, देन ड्यूरिंग समर सीजन वी फील हॉट एयर, हमें कैसी लगती है? गर्म हवा लगती है. तो फ्रॉम वेयर डज इट कम? इट कम्स फ्रॉम द वेस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया, दैट इज डेजर्ट एरिया. राजस्थान से जो गर्म हवा है दैट कम्स टूवर्ड्स द rest of the part of India, north part of India and other parts of India. So during summer season we feel warm, hot during summer season because of the western air जो कि राजस्थान के साइड से आता है, गर्म हवा आती है. ओके, एंड ड्यूरिंग विंटर सीजन वी फील कोल्ड, बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड लगती है. वाई? बिकॉज कोल्ड एयर कम्स फ्रॉम द माउंटेन पार्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया, फ्रॉम द हिमालयाज रीजन टू रेस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया, especially the northern part of India. Okay, so during winter season we get cold air from where? From Himalayas region. Okay, so that is the reason we feel cold during winter season, and during summer season we get hot air from the western part of India, desert part of India. Okay, so we feel warm during summer season. Okay, and so in that way wind also decides weather of a particular place, and it differs season to season. It differs according to the different season, like whether it is cold winter season or summer season. Okay, and it helps in bringing rain as well during rainy season. Okay, so I hope you understood the chapter, and if any doubt then you can write in the comment section. Till that, just look at the screen and enjoy this video.